Corn cobs are a real treasure. Don't throw them away. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. After every meal with corn, most of us accidentally throw away the cob without knowing that. It is a forgotten treasure. In fact, corn cobs contain countless wonderful uses that few people expect. Throwing it away is no different than wasting a precious gift from nature. Today, let's explore with me the unexpected benefits of corn cobs. Method 1. Cook soup. Have you ever eaten corn cob soup? I really like corn cob soup. The method is very simple and the taste is great. First, prepare 3 sweet corns. After washing, use a knife or a grater to shred the corn kernels. Because corn cobs contain a lot of high-quality protein, fiber, which helps promote metabolism. Moreover, corn cobs have a very characteristic aroma. After cooking, the soup has a pleasant aroma. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After shredding, put the corn kernels on a separate plate. Put the corn cobs in the pot. Add a few slices of ginger. Then add 2 liters of water. Cover the pot. Heat over medium heat until boiling. Then reduce the heat to low and cook for another 10 minutes to extract the sweetness and nutrients from the corn cobs into the water. While waiting, prepare the other ingredients. Soak and wash the shiitake mushrooms. Cut the mushrooms into thin strips. Put on a plate and wait to use. Prepare some green onions, chop them finely. Put them in a bowl, wait to use later. After cooking, open the pot lid. You will see the corn cob soup is yellow, fragrant with corn, and has the sweetness of corn. Next, add the grated corn kernels and cook until boiling. Then add the shiitake mushrooms. Season to taste. Next, crack a few eggs into a bowl. Beat them. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then slowly pour them into the pot. Stir gently to create a smooth golden egg streak. Mix cornstarch with water. The amount of cornstarch can be changed depending on the desired thickness of the soup. Then slowly pour into the pot, stirring well. Boil until boiling again. Then add green onions and turn off the heat. Ladle the soup into a bowl and enjoy while it is still hot. The soup is very delicious with the rich sweetness of corn cobs. Suitable for everyone, nutritious and easy to eat. If you like, try it. Method 2. Make delicious, easy to make, and extremely healthy tea. Corn cobs can not only be used to make nutritious water, but also have many surprising uses. This is a precious natural ingredient that we should take advantage of. First, put the corn cobs in a large basin. Add water. Use your hands to gently rub to remove the corn silk and dirt. Since the cob is deep inside, it is usually quite clean. No need to wash too thoroughly. Just rinse it briefly. Then put it in the pot. Add water until it is completely covered. Cover the lid. Turn on the stove on high heat until it boils. Then lower the heat to medium and cook for about 10 minutes. When the water boils, the aroma of corn will spread throughout the kitchen. When the time is up, open the pot lid. The corn water will be light yellow and have a mild aroma. Pour the water carefully into a glass. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now you have corn water, naturally sweet, warm, and nutritious. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. If you like it sweeter, you can add honey. Wait for the corn water to cool down before adding honey to preserve the nutrients. Stir well. The sweetness of honey blends with the natural corn flavor, warming the stomach and making you feel comfortable. Corn water can be considered a healthy tea, rich in fiber, minerals, and phytochemicals. Helps laxative, aids digestion, and reduces constipation. Sweet taste and natural aroma are easy to drink. You can also refrigerate it for a refreshing summer drink. Corn cobs can help you because they absorb gases very well, including formaldehyde. Just dry the corn cobs and place them in your new house for about 2 weeks. They will help deodorize and protect your health when you move in. Are corn cobs really useful? If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find it interesting, please click like. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye and see you in the next video.